Hello everybody, this is John Diaz here, reporting from the Blue Knob Ski Resort. And yesterday we got a lot of snow up here. As you can see, the people are trickling in. They opened up the auxiliary parking lot, and I'm sure yesterday was probably a packed house. But they got a lot of snow yesterday. I would say probably about a good, a good 8 to 10 inches up here. Maybe, I would say more, probably like 13 inches total with the snow they got when I reported last. It's been an ongoing snowfall here at Blue Knob, and there's a lot of people here today, and it's going to be packed. Last night I drove by here at about 3 in the morning, and the snowcat was operating, so the staff here is working around the clock. And they continue to make snow, as you can see. Now they're calling for a storm tomorrow on Monday, and at least in the Altoona region, I think they're saying 9 inches. So up here, it's got to be well over a foot, I would say. Knowing this place, it'll probably be a couple feet, maybe even more. So as you can see, there's a lot of snow. It looks so beautiful out here today. And it's nice to see all the people here, as you saw, with their skis and their snowboards, just enjoying the ski resort and enjoying the weather and enjoying the snowfall. But it is very cold out here. I would say it's probably close to 0 with the windshield. So it's definitely difficult to manage the snow removal because there's always going to be that layer due to the cold. But they've been working around the clock to contain it, and to plow 13, 14 inches is a big job. So they definitely have the equipment up here, and not to mention they have several snowcats that have been working around the clock. They've got people working in shifts, so they're definitely working hard out here at Blue Knob Ski Resort. And I hope everybody comes out and pays them a visit to enjoy the ski trails and the snowboarding and the snow tubing at Blue Knob Ski Resort. This is John Diaz here. I'm going to pull over here at this quick straightaway. We're just going to go out here on the side. See, right there is about a good 8 inches, 8, 9 inches. But in front of where I live, there was about 13 inches. And since this is the wooded areas and you get a lot of wind, a lot of that snow blows around. Like here, it's piled up higher because of the wind, since it's the ditch line. See, there you have a good 13 inches right there. Very beautiful out here today, and I appreciate you all watching today. I hope you're all enjoying the day and preparing for the upcoming snowstorm, which should cover a lot of states. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel to watch ongoing content coming out. And if you enjoy this content, please push the like button. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.